A heavy gunfight reportedly broke out this morning around 8:20 between suspected armed cadres of ZUF and Nscn-Im at Sangji village under Khopum police station in Noney district. As per sources, both armed groups engaged in a heavy exchange of gunfire using bombs and bullets which sent shockwaves to the local villages. Police were unable to reach the scene till the time of filing this report. While there are suspicions of casualties between the two groups, no official reports have been filed as of yet. Sources indicate that ZUF cadres had been stationed in Sangji village while Nscn-Im cadres were in the nearby jungle and were attempting to enter the village, leading to the outbreak of the intense gun battle. In the aftermath, villagers fled to Dolang for safety. On the other hand, the Rongmei Naga Council Manipur has strongly condemned the gun battle that erupted earlier today. In a press release, the council expressed its deep concerns over the panic caused to the villagers, calling the incident unfortunate. The council urged both parties involved to cease hostilities immediately and to compensate for the damages to property resulting from the gun battle. It also called on both sides to refrain from interfering in efforts to protect and save the villagers.